Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to do this cable support assembly in SolidWorks. You can see the assembly and 2D drawings along with BOM. In the BOM there are three parts. The first part is body. I will start with body. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Change the unit here, mmgs. Select extrude. Select the top plane. Create one center rectangle. Give the dimensions 174 and this is 46 mm. So finish sketch, extrude up to 16 mm. Next select this surface, sketch, create one corner rectangle here, give the dimensions 24. This side is also 24 mm. Depth is 2 mm. So finish sketch, extruded cut, can select through hole here. Next there is a one flange. For that select the front plane, sketch, select circle, create one circle, give the dimension 46 mm, height is 50 mm from the base. Give the vertical constraint here. Select line. Give the tangent constraint. Select this point. We can give the select the convert entities. Give the dimension otherwise. Sorry, this is 36. Trim entities, trim this last circle. Next there is a one more dia 15 hole. So finish sketch. Select extrude. Reverse the direction. Here we need offset 36 by 2. 18 mm, this thickness is 16 mm. Okay, next select right plane, sketch, create one line here, give the dimension 25, so finish sketch, select here rib, thickness is 12 mm, okay. Next here there is dia 4 holes, select this surface, we can give direct holes, simple hole, drill size and diameter 4 mm, through hull, select the positions, Ctrl 8, give the dimension here, pitch is 24 mm, from the center we can give 12, here to here 12 mm, select this and this, give the horizontal connection, finish sketch, select this surface, sketch, circle, diameter 28 mm, select convert entities, select this circle, okay. So finish sketch, extrude 2 mm, next select all these features, mirror about front plane, okay. Next there is a pillets R2, two mm, select this also, save the part, assign the material here, polished steel, go to edit appearances, close this, second part is roller, Friends, if you are enjoying the session, please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Select here revolve front plane. You can see the roller drawing here. Create on center line. Line. Select this and this mid, give the vertical connection. Give the dimension now. This inner diameter is 14 mm. Create one more circle here. Sorry, center line. Okay, give the dimension. This is 32 mm. This diameter is 56. This diameter is 26 mm. Select these lines, do it mirror. This dimension is 7 mm. So create circle here. Trim entities, trim this circle. So give the dimension. Finish sketch. Select the center axis. Okay. Save as a roller. Assign material. Close this. Control N for new part. Friends, if you are enjoying the session, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select revolve, or you can do extrude also. Give the dimension. Change the unit first. Revolve plane. Create on corner rectangle. Give the dimension. Length is 70 mm. Diameter is 7. So finish sketch. Select this as a center axis. Chamfer 0.5 is okay. Steel. Okay. Save the part as a pin. close this file, new, open the assembly template, change the unit first, insert components, take the body first, so assign parts, roller, give the mates, okay, this face and this face, that's it. It will rotate like this, you can see, pin, mates, zero 0.5, so that's it friends, assembly. It is a basic assembly. So I hope you enjoy this session. If you required any drawings or any support in the design, you can leave the comment below with your details. Definitely I will revert back to you. And also I am requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session friends.